Evidence of strange human hybrids revealed ancient aliens. The concept of human hybrids, beings that are part human and part something else, has long fascinated humanity. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, the idea of humans merging with other species or even extraterrestrial entities has persisted across cultures and epochs. But what if these stories were not merely products of imagination? What if there is tangible evidence suggesting that such hybrids once walked among us or still do? This question lies at the heart of numerous theories explored in the popular television series Ancient Aliens, which delves into the possibility that our ancestors encountered advanced beings from beyond Earth. In this article, we will explore the evidence presented by researchers, historians, and theorists who argue for the existence of strange human hybrids, examining artifacts, historical accounts, and scientific anomalies that fuel these extraordinary claims. The mythological roots of hybrid beings. Before diving into modern interpretations, it's essential to understand the deep roots of hybrid beings in mythology, across virtually every culture. Tales of half-human creatures abound. Greek mythology speaks of centaurs half-human, half-horse, minotaurs half-man, half-bull, and satyrs half-goat, half-human. Hindu texts describe the Naga, serpent-like beings with human heads, while Native American folklore tells of skinwalkers, humans who can transform into animals. These mythologies often serve as cautionary tales or explanations for natural phenomena, but they also hint at a universal fascination with blending species. Some proponents of ancient astronaut theory suggest that these myths may have been inspired by real encounters with beings far more advanced than early humans. Could these legends be distorted memories of genetic experiments conducted by extraterrestrials? Or perhaps evidence of interbreeding between humans and alien visitors? While skeptics dismiss these ideas as mere fantasy, others point to physical artifacts and archaeological findings that seem to support the notion of hybrid beings. The Dropa stones, a cosmic connection. One of the most intriguing pieces of alleged evidence comes from the remote mountains of China. In 1938, archaeologists discovered a set of mysterious stone discs in caves near Tibet, known as the Dropa stones. These circular objects featured intricate spiral grooves containing microscopic hieroglyphs. According to researcher Simum Nui, who studied the stones in the 1960s, the inscriptions told the story of an alien spacecraft crash landing on Earth over 12,000 years ago. The survivors, described as small, frail beings with elongated skulls, reportedly interbred with local humans, creating a hybrid race. While mainstream academia largely rejects the authenticity of the Dropa stones due to lack of verifiable evidence, their legend persists within alternative history circles. Proponents argue that similar descriptions of elongated skull individuals appear in various ancient cultures worldwide, from the Paracas civilization in Peru to the Egyptian pharaoh Akhenaten. Could these cranial deformities represent genetic markers of hybridization, elongated skulls, evidence of genetic manipulation? The practice of artificial cranial deformation where infants' heads are bound to create elongated shapes is well documented in many ancient societies. However, some skulls defy explanation through cultural practices alone. For instance, the Paracas skulls found in Peru exhibit features inconsistent with typical human anatomy. Not only are they significantly larger than average human skulls, but DNA analysis conducted in 2014 revealed mutations never before seen in Homo sapiens. These findings led researchers to speculate that the Paracas people may have been the result of genetic manipulation or interbreeding with non-human entities. Critics counter that the study lacked peer review and raised doubts about its methodology. Nevertheless, the presence of anomalous skulls raises important questions. Why did so many ancient civilizations value elongated craniums? And could these traits indicate contact with advanced beings capable of altering human genetics? Chimeric creatures in ancient art has always mirrored societal beliefs, and depictions of hybrid beings appear frequently in ancient artwork. One notable example is the Mesopotamian deity Enki, often portrayed as a humanoid figure with fish-like attributes. Similarly, Egypt's god Horus combined human and falcon characteristics, symbolizing divine power, even in Mesoamerican art. Figures like Quetzalcoatl blend avian and reptilian features with human forms, to supporters of ancient alien theories. These artistic representations suggest more than mere symbolism. They propose that ancient artists were documenting encounters with actual hybrid beings, either extraterrestrial visitors or the offspring of humans and aliens. Such interpretations align with the belief that early humans lacked the creative capacity to invent such complex imagery without external influence. Modern science meets ancient legends. Advances in genetic engineering have brought the concept of hybrids closer to reality. Today, scientists routinely experiment with combining DNA from different species, creating organisms like glowing fish or disease-resistant crops. Some researchers even speculate about the potential for human-animal chimeras, raising ethical concerns about where to draw the line. Could ancient civilizations have possessed similar knowledge? Certain megalithic structures, such as the pyramids of Giza or Stonehenge, demonstrate engineering feats that continue to baffle experts. If ancient humans had access to advanced technology, perhaps gifted by extraterrestrial visitors, they might also have dabbled in genetic experimentation. After all, the ability to manipulate life at a molecular level would explain the widespread reports of hybrid beings throughout history. Cryptids and contemporary sightings. Hybrid creatures aren't confined to ancient lore. Modern accounts of cryptids add another layer to the mystery. Bigfoot, Mothman, and the Chupacabra are just a few examples of elusive beings said to inhabit remote regions of the world. While skeptics attribute these sightings to misidentified animals or hoaxes, believers argue that cryptids could represent surviving remnants of hybrid species. For instance, some cryptozoologists theorize that Bigfoot might be a descendant of Neanderthals or Denisovans, hominid groups that interbred with Homo sapiens before going extinct. Others posit that certain cryptids exhibit traits consistent with extraterrestrial biology, further supporting the idea of alien-human hybrids. Conclusion: fact or fiction? The notion of strange human hybrids remains one of the most controversial topics in both archaeology and ufology. While no definitive proof exists to substantiate these claims, the sheer volume of anecdotal evidence and anomalous discoveries cannot be ignored. Whether viewed as literal truths or symbolic narratives, the stories of hybrid beings reflect humanity's enduring curiosity about its origins and place in the universe. As technology advances and new discoveries come to light, we may one day uncover answers to these age-old mysteries. Until then, the debate continues, a testament to our unyielding desire to explore the unknown and challenge the boundaries of what we consider possible, whether fact or fiction. The legacy of strange human hybrids serves as a reminder that the truth is often stranger than fiction.